Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change DNS servers for Ionos domain. The first thing I want you to do is just log in to your Ionos dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then click here on domains and SSL, the first option. Okay, now I want you to scroll down and just click on the domain, right, that you want to change the DNS servers for. So click on this one right here. And then what you need to do is click here on DNS, okay? The last option right here in the top panel, click on DNS, and then right here you'll see all the different DNS server records. So you can change everything here. You just click on the pencil icon, okay? For example, CNAME right here. You click on edit record, and then you can go ahead and change where this points to. You can change the host name, and you can adjust the time to live as well. If you want it to be much sooner, you can change this to a minute, and then go ahead and save your changes. Really that easy, and that is how to change DNS servers for Ionos domain.